Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out flights on the Thai Airways application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the book flight button down below, which is the third option. Then you should select the type of trip, such as round trip or one way. After that, tap on the departure city section to select your departure point. After that, you should select your return city. Then select the travel dates and the return date as well. After that, you should select the number of passengers and the class. Then click on the search button down below to search for the available flights. So here you can find them. Tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose. Click on the button next, and then you will be able to book the tickets if you would like to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.